of party leaders and followers from APC in the whole of Zone A. What does this mean for your party, and how do you see a threat 2023 for your party in this area?
You can see this is preparation for 2023 victory for the PDP. The APC have failed the economy of this nation. They have failed the security architecture of this nation. They have failed in every aspect. Go back to 2015, when Nigerians thought that PDP was not doing well. APC took over. But today, where is freedom of information? Where is freedom of the press? Where is freedom of the citizens? Where is human rights that they were preaching and using it to blackmail the PDP in 2015? Today they're nowhere. The economy is in shambles. Nobody knows where we are as of today. And so what you have seen, the campaign we're doing today is very distinguished Nigerians, very distinguished Benue stakeholders, like the woman we're decamping today. She contested with Senator Suswam. She got over 80,000 votes, though she lost. But so she's an asset. And herself has said that the APC have failed in every aspect. And so I'm very happy that what I started in 2017 is materializing today. Our people are happy, as you can see them. You have seen it yourself, and by the grace of God, I want to assure Nigerians that PDP is ready to provide the leadership better than what we had in 2015, so that Nigerians will take off. Buhari said in 2015 that he's going to take Nigerians from top to bottom. That is not what we need. We want leadership that can take Nigerians from bottom to top. That is where the world is going. And so I'm happy to be here, and I'm glad that these people have not disappointed me. And I want to assure Nigerians that PDP will not disappoint again, because there is new leadership, there is new thinking, there is new narrative. There is a way forward from bottom to top. Where Buhari have taken us down, we are going to take it from bottom to the top again, so that everybody will be happy. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.